this country is going to hell because we are led by a person who doesn't know how to be a president and who is a liar. Alam nyo anong pruweba ko na sinungaling siya? Tinanong ko, dalawang businessman. Matagal na sa negosyo ng bigas. Because I was concerned. This is a campaign promise. 20 pesos na kilo ng bigas. And so, I really sat down and talked to a businessman. Sabi ko, sabihin mo sa akin, kung magagawa ba yung 20 pesos? Sabi niya, hindi. Napaka-imposibleng gawin yan. Because more than 20 pesos ang cost. Paano ka magbenta ng palugi? So, tinanong ko, nagsinungaling ba siya nung sinabi niya? And then he said outright, yes. It's either he did not know what he was talking about, that's so incompetent, or he was lying through his teeth to get the votes of people